everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm so happy to do this video because I haven't done this kind of video from very long time, because recently I've been doing more cooking or the makeup or the organizing, cleaning, and that's okay because name of this channel is Ami's Lifestyle, so of course I'm gonna share everything with you guys. So I usually like to see this kind of video on other people's channel too. I want to see what kind of bag do they carry, also particular that bag, how much the stuff it can hold. So today I'm gonna share with you my bag, which I bought it about a year and a half ago, and I've been using it quite some time now, because in between I do have so many other bags that I use, but I always come back to this one, and that is this Gucci Soho, and I believe that's what it's called, but and I don't know why it's coming a little bit dark on the camera, but it's not that dark color. Anyways, it do come in the different colors, so if this is not your color, you can always go with the black, because you can never go wrong with the black color. So when I bought this bag about a year and a half ago, and if you know me, you know, of course, if I invest my money in any designer bag or the shoes, I always go with the neutral color, because neutral color never go out of fashion. And this bag, you know, I would say, I'm not gonna say that yes, this is very affordable bag, it's cheap. No, it's not. But if you are someone who's wants to invest the money in designer bag, or if you are starting with the Gucci brand and you just want to try something, then I would say definitely, compared to the other designer bag, this is very affordable. So as you can see, it's not that big. There is not any extra things going on, no blings, nothing. You know, it's a very simple bag, and that's what I like. You know, I don't want, I mean, sometimes, not in every bag, but sometimes it's okay. I just want very simple and very classic looking one. So that's what this bag is. It's very classy, and as you can see, just have this Gucci logo here. And usually I carry crossbody, and you know, it just looks nice. It hit me perfect. I'm 5 feet tall. The strap is adjustable, so that's a good thing, and has this nice tassel here, and the leather is very soft, very soft. So you can just open it, and the liner inside, it's like a nibble kind of material. The liner is there, and I don't know if this happened to you, but it always happened with me that whenever we go somewhere, my husband always give me the car keys, or if they are not using their sunglasses, he give it to me, my kids give it to me. Top of that, I have my stuff. So car keys goes in there, my phone goes in there, and I do carry 7 Plus. So that phone is, I mean, it's a big phone. So everybody's sunglasses, the phone, the car key, everything goes in here. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what do I carry in here. And yes, right now it's not full. I don't have all the stuff in here, but as you can see, I mean, there's a lot of room in here that I can fit so much stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what do I have right now. So the first thing, hair clip. Next, I do have my Tommy Hilfiger wallet, which I've been using it from very long time. Also, I do have this comb, and do have the mirror on one side, so it's really good. Next, I do have the hand sanitizer. I do have the lipstick. It's from YSL, and the number is 217. There's no name on it, there's just a number, but it's like a, you know, kind of everyday pinkish kind of color. And of course, when you have a kids, doesn't matter how old do they get, we always as a mom carry some kind of snacks with us, right? So I do have this one from Nature's Garden Omega-3 Deluxe Mix. It has all the seeds and the nuts and cranberry in there. Right now it's only one of them. Usually there is like a 3 or 4 in here. So that's about it. That's all I have right now in here. But as you can see, there is lots of room in here. So definitely I would say, guys, that if you are planning to, you know, buy the designer bag and you want something classy that never go out of fashion, then definitely consider this bag. I love this bag so much. And again, you know, it's neutral color. You cannot go wrong with it, this kind of color. So really love this bag. And I have done more this kind of videos in the past, which I'm gonna link it up here as well as in description below. So don't forget to check that out. And that's it. This is my kind of mini reviews of this Gucci bag. So that's it, friends. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.